guys, thanks for watching. So I just finished filming a Christmas decorate with me, and I have been filming all day, but I'm nowhere near done because the Christmas decorate with me is done, but the huge disaster from it is nowhere near done. So there's stuff everywhere that we're going to take care of in this video. There's like flocking on the floor, the fake snow, tons of price tag wrappery things everywhere, extra decor, spring summer decor that needs to go downstairs. There's a dining room chair in my kitchen. I was like, I'm so out of it, I don't even know what room I'm in. There's a dining room chair in my kitchen in the corner. There's boxes. We have a ton of things that we need to get done in this video, so I'm going to get right in and get started. If you enjoy it, hit the like button. Please consider subscribing to my channel. If you're new here, I would love to have you, and let's get started. I wanted to begin by giving you a quick overview of what we are dealing with in this video. I wish that the floor mess would show up a little bit better on camera, but this is probably the dirtiest our floors have ever been. There is that fake snow everywhere on the wood floors, on the rugs. I tracked it all across the house, the kitchen, the hallways, everywhere. There are dishes that need to be put away. So many different things on the counters. Pretty much every inch of counter space is covered. So let's get into it by starting in the kitchen. I started by unloading the dishwasher, but Chad needed a bottle for Forrest. He was on daddy duty while I was filming this video, so I made that for him really quickly, and then I got back into it because we have a mountain of things to take care of in this video, so I was very focused on getting done as much as I possibly could. And if you do want to see the decorate with me for Christmas, that video is linked below. It was so much fun to film. I'm so happy with how everything turned out. I shared the process, figuring out where to put things, why I put things certain areas, the color scheme, how I decided on it, all of that. So it's a really fun video. I like to decorate a little bit early because it's so much work to put all of this up. I like to enjoy it for as long as possible. Plus I like to be early so all of you guys can hopefully get some good ideas from what I shared too. And luckily there were not too many dishes in the sink for once. I feel like whenever I film these videos, it is always so full. So I'm going to wash a sparkling water bottle next, wipe out the sink, and then I'm going to work on getting some things off the counter. All of those extra things I was talking about, but also the blender, a few more permanent items. Since I added all of the decor, I feel like the counters are really cluttered, so I want to get some things off of it.
Every night I'm going on the grid, texting back, I want you.
We have completely run out of cabinet space in this house. I remember when we moved in, like half of the kitchen cabinets were empty, and now they are all so filled. I opened them and there's nowhere to put anything, so we need to get rid of some things or figure it out. I also am going to put away the colorful pot that's been sitting on the stove since spring, I believe. If you are a regular viewer, you know I love having a colorful pot sit on the stove. I think it's so pretty. It is practical since I use it all the time, but this one, it doesn't fit with the holiday decor being a peach color, so if I do see a red one, I might have to snag it, you guys. I know I don't need it. I know there's nowhere to put it, but I think it would look really cute. And by the way, I will have a link for these pajamas below. I'm sure I will get questions about them. I literally was wearing another holiday pajama for the whole day filming the decorate with me, and then I switched into these, so it was at least 24 straight hours of holiday pajamas at our house.
Into this flow, a zero-sum game that I will lose. There's no zipping past it. Every time you walk away from me, I want you.
See what I mean? Whenever I try and put anything in a cabinet, I have to take something out, move things around in order to make it work. And now I'm going to get this dining chair out of the kitchen.
Can't get enough. I've lost you, but I you, and you're off my radar now. I've lost you.
We had that huge photo of the beach right behind the Christmas tree. It's been on the wall there for quite a while, as a lot of you have seen in so many of my videos, but it definitely does not make sense right next to a Christmas tree. I'm sure you agree with me. So that came off the wall for the season. There are a few other items, home decor items, I ended up having to put away for the season because they just did not make sense with a winter wonderland going on. So all of that stuff I put by the stairs right now, and then we will take it down a little bit later.
Yeah, I've lost you, but I need you.
And that was the Iowa Pine Multi-Surface Spray from Mrs. Meyer's. I really like this winter scent. Of course, it has the pine. It's a little minty though too, so it's a really good combination. And I have yet to try the winter scent with a light blue label. I'm actually pretty sure that's called Winter Mint or something minty. So if you have used it, let me know what you think of it. Let me know if you think I would like it. I feel like so many of us have a very similar taste.
I keep on looking for you.
Nothing really matters if you're not mine right here, right now. And even if the world ends, then I'll be fine. No fear, no doubt.
We ended up moving the dining table further back, and then the chair that goes at the end of the dining table I moved somewhere else. I don't leave it at the end of the table for very long. I wanted to make sure there was a nice walkway and that it flowed a little bit better on the other side of the Christmas tree. Like I told you guys, we are running out of space. I do have to move the rug as well, but we didn't get to that last night when I was filming this video. So hopefully today, of course, you have to move the table off the rug in order to move the rug, and it is a little bit of a process. So I didn't get to it, but I need to because it looks a little bit awkward right now. It would have been so satisfying to use a vacuum attachment right here to suck up all that extra flocking. That's what I was planning on doing, but the baby was sleeping, so I opted for a towel. I wiped everything off onto the floor since the floors were already a total mess. I'm taking care of some cardboard, and now I'm going to get a new towel, and I'm going to wipe off the baby swing with a little bit of water on a microfiber towel. And by the way, sometimes people think I'm using the same towel for an entire video. I switch them out all the time. I just never thought it was important enough to mention, but since I see that question every once in a while, I thought I would throw it in here.
Closing in on heaven, and I know we'll be alright. Be alright, be alright. Yeah, I know we'll be alright. We are closer now than ever, and I know.
Here's all of that spring and summer decor I'm taking downstairs for the season. So at this point, it was time to take a dinner break, and I want to thank HelloFresh for sponsoring this video. Many of you know that I've been using HelloFresh. I've been buying it myself for quite a while, and I honestly can't recommend it enough. This may sound dramatic, but it's one of the few real food items we've been eating since having a baby because we just don't have time to get to the grocery store that often. We definitely don't have time to figure out like an entire meal that often and get all of the ingredients together. These meals are so simple and easy to follow, which is why Chad is very obsessed with them too, because he knows if we don't have a HelloFresh order, I'm not making dinner. Like I'm not even going to attempt it. I need the directions step by step. I need the pre-measured ingredients, and all of these meals can be put together in about 30 minutes. HelloFresh is now from $5.66 per serving. It's America's best value meal kits, and there's something for everyone, from family recipes to calorie smart and vegetarian, and fun menu series like Hall of Fame and craft burgers. I really like that you can easily change your delivery days or food preferences, and you can also skip a week whenever you need. It's no big deal. I'd be embarrassed to tell you what we've been eating for dinner on a lot of nights when we don't have a HelloFresh order, and you can get started with 9 free meals. That's $90 off your first month of HelloFresh, including shipping. Go to HelloFresh.com and enter code AlexandraB9. That's 9 free meals, which is $90 off your first month of HelloFresh with code AlexandraB9. All of this I'm going to include in the description box, and if you haven't tried HelloFresh, you are seriously missing out. Everyone who has, write your meal recommendations in the comments, because you get to pick out all the meals yourself on the website. It's time to get back into it, which means vacuuming, because like I've said so many times in this video, the floors were crazy messy, the fake snow is everywhere, so many sparkles, so much glitter. I know I'm going to be finding it around the house for forever. I was about to say months, but I mean, let's face it, for forever. Honestly, I don't mind, but I'm sure Chad does.
Let's say I let you stay for coffee in the morning, 'cause you spent the night right next to me. Let's say I let you buy me dinner. Let's say I let you meet my friends. Let's say I let you have my number. Well, I guess this time I didn't stand a chance. Oh no, I am not in love, I am not in love, no. He was nothing but a city boy, nothing but a city boy. So what? Not now. Nothing but a city boy.
All of the leftover decorations are really feminine and girly, so I did stick them in here for now. I'm considering decorating this space. If you think I should, if you want me to film a video on it, let me know in the comments. And now I'm taking care of a lot of baby laundry. I always dread taking care of our laundry, but baby laundry is always so fun because it's so tiny.
Someday you feel the way I do. Oh no, I am not in love, I am not in love.
While I'm doing this, Chad is downstairs. He's assembling side tables, and we're working on a man space for him, like a little man cave. I'm excited for him to have this because, as you can see, a lot of our house is really feminine, so I think it's going to be really nice for him to have his own space. And I'm sure I will be sharing a lot more of this on Instagram than on my YouTube channel. So if you are not following me over there, if you're interested in seeing it, it's at alexandrabeuter, and I have it in the beginning and the end of the videos all the time on the screen for spelling if you are not sure how to spell it, but it's the same as my channel and everything else.
City boy. He was nothing but a city boy, nothing but a city boy. So what? Not now. Nothing but a city boy. So what?
We have several of these acrylic bins for different baby items. I love acrylic items. I love storage containers that you can see through. Something else that I think is so satisfying to look at. So right now I'm putting all of his burp cloths in this one. We have been going through so many of those, and then I'm going to hang up a lot of sleepers and onesies. We took a photo of Forrest this morning right next to that Santa. It was so cute, but I said Santa and Shad keeps insisting it's an elf, so let me know what you think it is. I swear that's a Santa unless I'm missing something. Regardless, whatever it is, I will be taking so many photos of Forrest all season long right there because it's just too cute. The house is all cleaned up, so I wanted to end the video showing you our holiday decor now that there isn't extra flocking and mess everywhere. And I keep telling you I'm excited, but you guys, I am so excited to take so many pictures of our baby this year as our first Christmas as a family all throughout the house. And I always like to take a little bit of a risk with my decor, so I was sort of nervous about the blue and the red, but I think it turned out so nice having that soft touch of blue and a lot of red and white. We don't have any red with our normal decor, so that's like the holiday pop, and the blue and white helps to tie the regular decor with the holiday decor. So I hope that you guys love it as much as I do. Again, if you have not seen my last video, that is the whole process, step by step, start to finish, sharing it all. So that video is linked below. Here's the table, here is the kitchen, and a walkthrough of everything in here too. And that is everything for this video, guys. Thank you so much for spending the time with me. I really appreciate all of you so much. I hope that you enjoyed this video. Hit the like button if you did. Subscribe if you're new here. Make sure to check out the links below. There are recent videos, the link for HelloFresh to get your discount, and more. And I will see you right here in a few days in a brand new video. Bye!